Evolution and genetics post-test. Write your name and select your teacher's name, Jones, Richer, or Britt. Which of these is an inherited behavior? A seal balancing a ball, a dog getting the newspaper, a spider spinning a web, an ape using sign language. Next question. Lindy has blue eyes. From which family member did Lindy most likely inherit her blue eyes? Her sister, her brother, her mother, her cousin. Question 3. Which best explains why the offspring of giraffes generally look similar to their parents? Giraffe parents teach their offspring to look like them. Giraffe parents pass on characteristics to their offspring. Offspring mimic their parents' appearances and actions. All giraffes look the same. Next question. Alan's brown dog is expecting puppies, which best explains why there is a strong chance that the puppies will be brown. The mother dog is brown. The mother dog wants the puppies to be brown. All puppies are brown when born. Alan wants the puppies to be brown. The Ohio State tree is the buckeye. Which of these traits is that? Let me start that question over. The Ohio State tree is the buckeye. Which of these is a trait that is inherited by the buckeye tree in the reproduction process? Number of leaves that fall during winter. Change in leaf color during the autumn season. The amount of water that is available for growth. Type of mineral that is absorbed from the soil. Next question. Why does an organism look different from its parents? The organism inherits half of its characteristics from the male parent and half from the female parent. The organism inherits most of its characteristics from the female parent. The organism inherits most of its characteristics from the male parent. The organism develops its own set of characteristics after it is born. From whom may an animal inherit characteristics? Its parents, its brother and sisters, other animals in the population, other animals in the ecosystem. In plants, which of these is not an inherited trait from offspring? Oh, I messed that question up. Let me start over. In plants, which of these is not an inherited trait from parent to offspring? Leaf holes from insects, leaf shape, plant height, flower color. Katie can roll her tongue. If Katie's mom can't roll her tongue, what is true about Katie's dad's ability to roll his tongue? Her dad can roll his tongue. Her dad can't roll his tongue. Her dad can sometimes roll his tongue. Which is an example of an inherited characteristic? Scar, weight, eye color, personality. Which would a kitten most likely inherit from its parents? Fat belly, playing with a ball of yarn, sharp teeth, love of tuna fish. How does a tiger get stripes? From its environment, from its food, from its offspring, from its parents. Jane wants to become a model like her mother. Which is a learned characteristic that could help her with modeling? Height, curly hair, blue eyes, good posture. Which characteristic of a dog is most likely learned from its environment? Keen eyesight, begging for food, ability to run fast, swimming in water. And last question. Knowing how to read a book is an example of a physical trait, an inherited trait, a learned behavior, an inherited behavior.